Let's get our reps started and getting everyone showing up. 3, 2, 1.
And TQ, Venus Centauri.
We have movement from the Red Alliance.
Their robot just went.
Team 20206 moving into the observation zone, getting their 3 points for parking.
And then they'll pick up their controls and try to put the specimen pieces, they call them, into the basket. Or they'll try to hook some onto the side rails of the playing field.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and we have the start of our teleoperated period for qualification match 7. Robots starting to move under the control of their drivers.
Themselves into the play area.
Teams could be scoring their preloaded samples or specimens. Looking like the Little Alliance is trying to do that exact thing in their low next zone.
Who's running the top? So TQ.
Red Alliance putting one Alliance-specific sample in their low basket.
And Alicia is running the claw that puts it into the basket. Over here, LJ
Team 20206 using the Cloudcat claw design, hovering over their samples, gripping them from above.
There they go again. They got another one going down.
Team 20207 might be stopped in their climbing zone. Not sure if that's eligible for parking. I believe they have to touch the lower bar to qualify for parking during the end game. Team 436 with their double jointed arm looks to be maneuvering the field using their wheelie bar on the back of players to prevent tipping over. Got 15 seconds left until end game.
Hey, there's nobody. They're gone. Go, guys.
5 seconds left until end game, with Blue leading by 4 points. And we have our end game, 30 seconds left in the match.
Go park in that corner. Go park in that corner.
20 seconds left until end game.
Park in that corner.
Until the end of the match. Looks like we got teams going to line. 10 seconds left in the match. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Qualification match 7. We have a Red Alliance victory, 21-17 points.